Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you around a crawfish boil at this shooting range called Rusty Hook Ranch in Matagorda, Texas. But nobody's shooting here. It's just a crawfish boil event. It's just like, yeah, so click the like button and here we go. Alright people, here's the crawfish boil. I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm going to try not to make this video like probably like 3 to 5 minutes long because I don't want to do real long. This is also my second video for today. So yeah. Got like the stage down there. Got like pavilion with a whole bunch of people. It's like really big. And of course the outhouses. Doing a video.
Show mama.
What? No. Well, that was my dad talking to me. And they got the gorgeous water. So yeah. Then we got the shooting range down there, all the way down there, and with the houses that look like Hawaiian, whatever it is, Hawaiian ski field. I just call it the Hawaiian ski field because the houses look like they're Hawaiian. So yeah. It's a pretty fun night. It's like right now it's like 5:30 Central Time. This is pretty cool. Hopefully the music's not copyrighted. So yeah. I like this place. And I'm also going to show you guys the inside. Just for the heck of it. I might as well. Last time I was at this place is when they were doing a shooting competition called the CCA shoot. That's where I beat a lot of people at. So yeah, if you watch we watched that video. I think it's me called. I think the video is called me at the game warden shoot and the CCA shoot part 1 and part 2. So make sure you go watch that if you guys haven't. So yeah, here's the inside. It's pretty gorgeous in here. Last time I didn't film in here, my dad filmed for me during the awards. So yeah. I like it in here. Alright, I'm gonna end the video in this building. Make sure you guys like and sorry about that. Okay, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.